This video is going to show how you can create a clone from a snapshot using vSAN data protection. The first step is to highlight the vSAN cluster and to click on Configure vSAN Data Protection. From here, we're going to highlight the VMs tab and select the VM that we're interested in cloning. We'll select Clone VM, and we'll choose the specific snapshot that we're interested in creating a clone from. We'll hit Next and choose the name of the new VM that's going to be cloned. We'll choose the data center and the respective cluster that the new VM will be created in. We complete the process and we'll see the new clone show up in the inventory. This shows the power of cloning from snapshot using vSAN data protection.